Time that you're coming across my channel, my name is Juliana. Welcome, welcome. So, girl is here working on her double H. So, excuse me if you're gonna see me posting videos. Excuse me if you see I go live. Excuse me if you see me do like 3, 4, 5 live stream. Yes, I'm working on my double H, which is most important. I don't have anyone helping me with it, so I have to be working on it. My son, that's something here give me a warm time. That's something here when I catch my phone pan, it'll give me a warm time. I order a selfie stick, so hopefully we'll get it by next week or so forth. Because trust me, better me hold it in my hand, the selfie stick in my hand, than catch it somewhere and every minute keep on sliding down. Anyway, guys, let me switch this fan off a bit. Welcome, welcome. Like and share the stream out, guys. Like up the stream as you enter. Like up the stream. So let me know what's your plan for the day. Girl, here a little bit tired and all of that. But why don't let my phone ring? Anyway. Guys, my other phone up on silent. But me just hear like something vibe a while ago. I tend to keep my phone on silent. I have it on silent from morning when I do my videos and stuff like that. And sometimes me really can't manage the calling business. So I'm gonna put it on silent to kind of give myself at least a hour to refresh my mind. Yes, guys. So you have to take time out for yourself, because if you not take time out for yourself, it's the brother stress. Oh Jesus. Brother stress will lick you left, right, and center. And because I don't want that, nobody want to feel stressed. Nobody want to feel down and out. So guess what? I take times out for myself. And worse, that my husband is not here with me now. I get to do my live stream because I don't want to interfere his timing. Because I have to put my husband first. So once my husband is here, I tend not to do too much videos. So once he's not here, even though he doesn't have a problem doing it with me now, but I still want to give him that rest time because he works very hard. I'm not gonna lie. He works very hard. So because he works very hard, I want to give him the time where he can just chill, come home, chill, relax, get his hot meal. Because I do ensure that I call him ahead of time. Once I know what time it is. A matter of fact, I don't have to call him because somehow when I start cooking and I finish, that's the time he get home for some reason. For most of the times. But I want to ensure that my husband get a hot meal when he comes home, tired. And he get his time to relax, so I don't want to be hopping him like a space and disturb him. Because as I said before, he works really hard, so not to give him the time for rest. And worse when I work out in the sun, because man, I lie. I went to work yesterday and the sun have me away. When I come home, I was so tired. I was so tired, it's not even funny. So for the out in the sun I work at the time, it's not easy. It's not easy. You won't understand unless you do it yourself. That's the only way you will understand. Like up the stream, guys, as you enter and share the live out. I would really appreciate it. Share the live out, guys. Let me go pick up my other phone so I can able to share my live out. Because I haven't shared my live out as yet. Well, because I have the phone past silent at charge. Welcome everyone. Like and share the stream out. Like up the stream as you enter. Just share myself out. Welcome everyone. Welcome, welcome. Like and share, guys. Like and share. I would really appreciate it if you could share the live out with others. Got this cemetery. So my foot them because I walk up and down yesterday. My foot them feel it. My foot feel it. Trust me. Welcome, welcome everyone. Like and share. So I'm here currently working on my time because as you all know that this channel is not monetized, so I'm trying to gain the hours so I can have my channel monetized. I would love if I could reach my 4K hours before my anniversary. So I just keep my fingers crossed because I would definitely want to go live for my anniversary. But if I don't get it monetized by then, by next month or so forth, and I do go out, I will record everything. So if you don't get it over on this channel, you gotta get it over on my next channel. Okay? Guys, man, I know why my face ever shining. I don't know. I think I need to get something for oily skin. I need to get something because trust me, even if I don't put any moisturizer on, by the time I start sweat, my skin get greasy. I don't know why. So look at that there. Not dirty or anything like that. So yes, guys, I don't know how many persons watch my latest video that I put out this morning. I dropped a video this morning, guys. I am a wife, a small business owner, and me and my husband, we started from scratch, ground zero. Okay, so my first business that I started off with, let me tell you, with my home money on my platform, I started off doing the garlic business. I went from the garlic business and I said, okay, seeing that my husband used to sell clothes before, why not invest in buying some clothes? And that's how we started the business, by buying clothes, started selling it, and we went and we also started selling body wash, shower gel, and lotion, colognes, and stuff like that. So we are trying to expand our business as we grow. Yes. So when I say my husband is very supportive, because there's not much male would say that they would go and stop doing what they're doing and to assist their wife or their partner in their own business. So when I start this business, I never get no handout from nobody at all. I don't have to come and explain how I start my business, because you have naysayers that think otherwise. But every money that withdraw from my bank account, everything that I do to start my business, everything is in my name. Yes, everything I do, I keep receipts. When it comes to receipts, I keep receipt for years. I don't throw away my receipts. So anyway, we decided that we're gonna start selling shoes. Yes, we have some nice little shoes selling. We're the working class of females, and if you want to wear, like for instance, you're going out, right? Hold on, let me turn the lighting up on this one. I hope is the nobody calling this one, you know. Hold on. Okay. Alright guys, the sun just went down. And this is the shoes. See? Good quality shoes. So you have a little bow on the front. We'll have them in all different size. So, and this is very affordable. You can wear it to school. If you're going to school, you can also wear this to school. If you're working at a call center, you're working at a supermarket, you're working at a bank, or wherever you're working, you need to get one of these. If you don't have one of these, you need to have one. So even if you wear heels to work, stilettos or wherever you want to call them, you wear to work, you need to have a flat shoes, because trust me, at times your instep will get tired. You need to have a flat shoes. It's a must. Right, so this is something that you can just put on and wear, go out, and you're good to go. Nice, clean, and affordable. So this is a size 39, and trust me, when I say good quality stuff, it's really good quality. So these are the type of shoes that I currently have right now. That's, and we are all over in Jamaica selling these things. So we are in Ocherios. We are also in Spanish Town. We are also in Mayville, and we are also in Portland. So you never know when we are going to be in your hometown. So these shoes are shoes that are out. This is a size 39, and this is a size 38 for pre-order. So these need to package and sent off. So wherever you are, we do ship to you. Okay, so even if you're overseas and you want anything that you see me selling, just link me, and we can take it from there. I am also on Instagram. There's a link will be in my description for my Instagram account. I may change the Instagram name later on. Yeah, there's a link. So if you click on the description, you will see my Instagram link where you can send me a message. My business information is there, which is my Instagram page and my email, business email. So you can send me a message and order your shoes. If it's tight suit, you can go ahead and order, and I do accept payment by NCB or PayPal. Okay, so you don't have to be afraid. This is legit business. I don't play games when it comes to my business because I don't want to spoil my reputation. I don't want to spoil my name. Okay, so a Vibes with Juliana is not just a channel, it's a brand, and it's part of my business. So whatever I do, I know that it represents my business. So hopefully, I don't want to give out too much about my business, but hopefully we'll be having some different stuff coming up. So in a few weeks, hopefully by ending this month to the ending of next month, I should be having new products arriving. So I will be showing you guys new stuff. Cause when you just start a business, even though our business didn't just start, but we're taking our business from ground zero, and we're trying different things out. We don't stick to one thing, but now we think that we found the right thing that we want to do. Because as I said before, when I just started my business, I was selling garlic. I stopped doing garlic because that's the first partnered business that I did with my husband. We started selling garlic, and we left from garlic to start selling clothes. Now we're also selling clothes and shoes, along with body wash, shower gel, perfume. Yeah. So we also have some body scrub. Body scrub. We have them in different flavor. So we're gonna get some more. So we're gonna be having those. And as I said, I am just trying to right now to clean my business page up on Instagram, because I have two Instagram accounts that I am currently using as a business page, because the one that is pinned in this one, that was when I just started my business. The other account, that was my personal account, where, because I also do like reviews on here, different products. I delete those videos and turn it into a business account. So this account that is pinned right now in the description of my video, this live stream, that's gonna be like business account slash personal account. So that's what I'm going to be doing with that account. Anyway, guys, welcome. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, my name is Juliana. For those that coming by for the first time, and I am a small content creator, small business owner slash wife, and the whole 9 yards. I'm fun to be around, even though I may look a bit sulky, but trust me, once you get to know me, I am also very helpful. I don't care who you are. Once you're a part of my platform, a part of my journey, I do assist. I also help persons to edit their videos and stuff like that. Okay. So girl is an all-rounder. I am good at everything. I also lock here. I also sew on here. I also install wigs. But I will definitely be coming up with some more of those reviews. Seeing that companies start reaching back out to me, so I will be having more review videos coming up. I also do clothing review for Chinese company. Yes, review here and all of those. I'm also Amazon reviewer. Yeah, so I'm working on trying to get something more. I want to do big brands. I want to, oh my God, that would be fun. I haven't worked with any big brand. I said the only brand that I work with is, what's it called? VBT. Yeah, with those boob tape lift. Yeah, I enjoyed working with them. That video is still over on Vibes with Sexy Juliana page. Yes, that video is up and running. I did that video with them, and I did also couple other collabs with different companies. But I'm looking forward to, as I said, my channel, this channel is coming from a, how can I put it in a safe term? My channel has been all around anything that has to do with gossiping. Sorry about that. But now I am structuring my channel around positive vibration, something more positive. I want my platform to be a platform where others can join in and watch. They don't have to worry about anything that is going to be said out of context or whatever the case may be. So, but my channel is on the right journey right now. There are videos that I will put in private or on list, but for now I just have to let them slide, let them go. Yeah. So, but hopefully by next couple of months, we should have some new things on this platform. Yes, guys. So I will be coming here, braiding my hair myself, sitting right in front of the camera here. So braid my hair. Guys, they like my butterflies. They're nice. My butterflies. I ordered some different color butterfly. Order some. Trust me, they're nice. And a butterfly in blue color. I think there's a few pink butterflies that I ordered. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna repaint this wall, right? So after I repaint, I'm gonna be removing these butterflies and stuff like that, and repaint the wall and redecorate it with my butterflies. I purchased more than 2 dozen butterfly I purchased. So I'm gonna be decorating the wall. I need to get some picture frames and stuff like that so I can put like family pictures up. Yeah. Like and share the stream, guys. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Welcome, welcome. And those that are in the background, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate the channel. Appreciate you guys coming over to my channel. Hold on, guys. For some reason, I'm sure people do get the notifications that I'm live right now. So I don't know why. Anytime I'm doing a live stream, that's the time that they want to call. I hate it. That's why sometimes I keep my phone on no disturb. Because sometimes when I'm doing something, especially when I'm currently doing a live stream now, I'm not going to be accepting no call. I'm so sorry. I don't care who you are. I am not going to be accepting any call. I'm trying to do something. Everybody do their thing different way. This is all I choose to do. Use my spare time. Yeah, my spare time because I know that when I start back work, I started working back yesterday. So I know that today I take a break, and I know once I go back coming this weekend to Monday week, I know that I'm not gonna get any break. So I have to be putting in the work on my platform because I don't even know how I'm gonna be managing working and vlogging at the same time. I don't know how I'm gonna be doing that, but nothing beat a trial than a failure. So I'm gonna be trying to give you all videos like if it's not every day or so, but if it's even one time for the week, I want to put videos out. Okay, so I want to ensure that I have content that my audience can watch. And then the funny thing, some of the persons that are calling, I don't even know their numbers because it's not even storing my phone. Since I buy that SIM card here, every minute people call. Every minute that God send, there's somebody calling asking for persons that I don't even know. But phone don't act up. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Like and share the stream. Oh, guys, like and share. Guys, I'm not gonna stay too long on the live stream because right now I feel like me want sleep. I feel like I want sleep. I was about to do a video, and then I said, you know what? Since I dropped a video this morning and I dropped one last night over on my next platform, I should be good for today. Let me just do a live stream, and then tomorrow, hopefully, I can able to do a small video, or maybe when my husband come, I can do a video with him and put it up. So finally, he start helping me with my channel. I'm saying a team that work together, a team that pray together. Yeah, it's a good team. Like and share, guys. Like and share the stream out. Like and share, guys. Welcome everyone. Welcome to my live stream. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Guys, I want to sleep. Sun burned me out last night. Yesterday, a matter of fact, because I late me come off of the road. Late. I thank you all so much for being here. Make it just in the live stream here and get something to eat again, and we're gonna have a snack and go get some rest before my husband come home, and then I'm gonna start dinner. Yeah, love you all. Love you all. Bye. Oh God, you see my eyes, I'm look sleepy. I'm tired. But thank you guys so much for being here. I really do appreciate you. And don't forget to watch my latest video. Leave a comment on it and subscribe to the channel. And for those that make me leave it, guys, mama says so, mama said this so quick and fast and snappy. I don't even have the other phone beside me. Yes, when I work out in the sun, like, oh, I have been working out in the sun from I meet my husband or something. You see, worse if you don't have sunscreen, you don't have something to shade the sun from your skin, it will damage your skin. It's like how my skin damage, and my skin damage bad, because of the working in the sun. You see people who stay at home, who sit down and depend on people, not have nothing for worry about. So I don't want nobody worry about how my look or whatever the case be, because I'm not worry about it. You see, once me have money in my pocket, I am good. Because a lot of person, they sit down not doing anything at all, and them criticize you, go and come, and wouldn't actually pay attention to, they don't pay attention to it. So put that in your pipe and smoke it and get things straight. See me, with a man or without a man beside me, I still go to the ATM. I still purchase what I want to purchase. I still do things. Okay. Anyway, enough of that. enough. I have some surprise to on you see. I have some surprise to the haters and we don't like me. Well, watch me. I mean, also on the on the live stream right about now. I watch me. I don't like me for no reason at all, you know. The only reason I could not like me is man I got suck why I don't like me come do way better than uno. Anyways, I love you all. Bye. One time for the birthday girl.